What's up, best friend? It's your girl Nikki Miami, and I'm back in the building like I always say. Excuse my voice right fast. I was just getting over like a little, you know what I'm saying, light cold and whatnot, and I just woke up, so I apologize for my voice sounding a little bit scratchy or raspy. Alright, now I'm finna try these hippie locks on my hair right fast. Like, I wanted to do it for like over the summertime, but I never ever applied myself to do it until now. You know, I went and bought that hair like a couple months ago. I had it in my stash for a long time, and you know how I just be sitting there and you really see, like, you know what, I'm gonna do my hair. So this is one of them days when I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this locks on my hair right fast, thanks to TikTok, thanks to YouTube, for y'all showing you girl how to do the braid patterns and how to do the crochet method. This is the crochet method. Let me go ahead and tell you that, because I do not want to do one by one in my hair, because you know what I'm saying, I'm not like a hair professional, so I don't really know too much of what I'm doing, how I'm doing it when it's my first time doing it. So I try to go with the flow and try to keep it cute as much as I could. All right, now my hair of course is short, and as far as the texture, I just put a hot brush in it, and I just did like that. I didn't put no chemicals in my hair. My hair, I will not be using no gel, no spray, no nothing to achieve the braid pattern. It's just dry just like so, because I can grip my hair better when it's dry like that, you know what I'm saying? But to each his own. What next I'm going to go ahead and do, by the way, yeah, this is going to be a video where I explain a little bit more the extra than I do in my other videos, because I want people who want to try the hairstyle to understand where I'm coming from, because some people can learn by just showing you, or some people can learn by you telling them. So I want to make sure that I come across everybody, you know what I'm saying, the same way. So the braid pattern I'll be doing, it's not like a braid pattern in the front, but the back will be. So the front is going to be more like a plait pattern. So what you do is you just part across, as you guys see. I'm going to take 8 slots in my hair. It's going to be 3 on right, 3 on left, and 2 on the middle. So I'm going to plait one, part it, plait the second one, and then the second one is going to be connected to the first one. So you're going to connect the first braid, first plait to the second plait, and just like that, as you guys see me doing it. Yeah, okay. And I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit close up of what it actually should look like if you want to go ahead and do this method right here, or what I'm achieving right now today for you guys. And bam. So this how it looks. Let me give y'all a close up right fast. Okay, I even pause it for you guys can see. It ain't got to be super neat, y'all. If you use gel, that's you can, but like I say, I don't use gel right now when I'm plaiting my hair, because it like to slide, and I want my hair to like not be tight, but just be to the point where I gotta. And once that's done, you're gonna take your comb and you're gonna like do cornrows in the back of your hair. If you can't do cornrows, then you can do the same method far as the plait, connect. But I'm gonna go ahead and braid it. The braids don't gotta be super nice, but you want it to be neat as possible, as much as you could. If you can't braid, find somebody to help you braid it, or do the best you could, sister. That's all I can say. Do the best you could. And it's time for your girl to get her drink on, because this hot chocolate right fast, it got a little cold, but guess what, I'm gonna tear it up. Okay, I smell a little bug. I from Dollar Tree, girl. I love that stuff, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys the braid pattern in a minute, because I had did the first time, but I didn't like how it looked, so I'll take it out and I did it over. You're gonna use your crochet needle, of course. The hair I'll be using right here is from FREETRESS brand. It's Hippie Locs 12-inch, and yes, of course it's synthetic and whatnot, and it got the hole in the middle. So basically what you do is you're going to do like a regular crochet. You're going to put the needle through your hair. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. And you're just going to put the hair, you know what I'm saying, the needle, connect it through and bring it back down. And Now I'm going to show you guys again close up later on of how to really do it. Because, you know, I'm moving a little bit fast on this video, because, you know, I didn't want to be too long for you guys. So I try to break it down as much as I could to show you guys a better version of how I will be achieving my look today, okay? So you guys hang tight. I'm going to come back to you guys and keep it cute and let you know what else I am doing to get this look litty. So many things I want to tell you. I think that I should start by saying, I gotta give a game proper, so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah, tryna leave I would love to keep you here with me, your baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the
she want to, man.
Listen, wait, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type of shit have you wildin'. That's what it is that I like. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you. Take me 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a day for you. Sweet for the nigga when you're riding. Can't just keep talking about it. Waiting to walk in the valley. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride. Show you what's up.
I'm bad, you missed me? But check it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and explain a little bit more. Y'all see how I paused it for you guys, right? So you know how the connection was like plait, connect, plait, connect. Now what I intend to do is I'm going to cover up the plait because I don't like how it looks. Some people leave it there like that, but not me, okay? I just got to like cover that up. So I'm going to take some locks and do the same method, crochet it, and then just put the lock on top of the braid. That way, so actually it's gonna look like it's a braid crochet, but it's not. It's really a plait crochet, and I intend to do that because, like I said, I think it look better like this. It's more fuller like this, and it look like more official like that. Hold on, bro. I came to. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, I don't know, bro. I'm doing my half my YouTube channel and whatnot, showing people how I do my styles and stuff, and she talking about, oh, you called and things and whatnot. My hair coming off. Lord have mercy. Yeah. Yeah, I told Pat that I ain't on that packing no more. Oh, you got it? Yeah. Yeah, she told me that it came to your own place and stuff. Huh? What? He did what? You know, I would call him, but I don't talk to him like that. I don't got his number because me and him, you know, we don't see eye to eye sometimes. But I know you're gonna go ahead and hold it down and tell him. Right. Okay. All right. So when I'm done, I'll probably call you tomorrow, okay? Because I ain't gonna be able to call tonight. Because I'll be done. I can't do the whole hair. Gotta go to the hair store tomorrow. Get some more hair and stuff. Take this turtle bag while I'm done and stuff. I'm going downtown. Not downtown, but I'm going like a little bit downtown. Tomorrow, I'll do my hair and whatnot, alright? Yeah, that's a duck. But yeah, I got a friend call video on the tree. I'll play tomorrow, alright? Alright. Hold on. You want that? Okay. You want to say something? Sorry, y'all. I apologize. That's what it is when you got like one child in the house because like you gotta play with them at all times because they don't have no sibling to play with. And I was just like, you know what I'm saying, playing pretend phone call with her. She talking about, oh, my uncle had called from Alabama, talking about, oh, a package this, package that, whatever. So you already know the kids come first, baby. And back to the hair, y'all. So as you guys can see, it's coming out a little cute. Like I'm feeling myself. As you guys see, I'm playing in it and whatnot. I think it did need some more hair in it. Like I don't like it too full, but I want it full enough that way it won't look like chicken scratch and whatnot, girl. Yeah, I'm shaking my hair. Okay, shake my dress, ow. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep on like filling the top up just like that. And I ran out of hair, y'all, so I'm going to the hair store again today. And I'm gonna do part 2 later on to show you guys the back and how I treat the back, alright? Oh, you know I gotta go ahead and let y'all know. If you feeling my video, my vibe, my energy, everything about it, just hook your girl up with a subscribe. Comment down below, leave me a like, a dislike. It does not matter because showing love is free. No quarter, no dime, no nickel, no penny, no nothing, baby. All free. And I appreciate you guys for the love that you show me and sharing with me and all that good stuff. Because all I do is keep it cute. So subscribe to your girl, man. Go. As you guys can see, I'm in a hair store. Oh my God, I'm so happy they got my hair in stock because sometimes they'll have it sold out and I won't be able to get it. But this time it's here, so let's go ahead and finish his head. So I got 3 pads, but I'm showing you 2 right now and whatnot because I want to be on the safe side. People mostly say like 4 pads to do a head, but I like mine a little kind of full, if you get my drift. So this is my braid pattern that I went ahead and did. It look a mess, y'all, trust me. But guess what, y'all? They ain't gonna need much matter because we gonna go ahead and cover all this up. And you see my back looking a mess also. I'm gonna go ahead and attach that. I'm just gonna braid it across. I ain't gonna add no hair to it, nothing. I'm gonna try my best to grip my hair and just apply it across and then tuck it right under. Cause guess what, y'all? Who gonna be checking for that? Who gonna be checking for that, like, for real? So I'm gonna get some black castor oil, Jamaican to be exact, and put it on my roots, on my scalp, and rub it in, because you know what I'm saying, oil is a must. You gotta have the oil on the head. And let me start to crochet the back of my hair. I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna start with first. I picked this side, and the same thing as before, the top. You're gonna go ahead and apply the same method to the back of the hair. Now everybody do their crochet different, you know. Like I said, I want my back to be more full. I want everything to be full, but I want to make sure that I have enough hair to go around. So I don't want to like just put much hair on one braid and then when I get to the end of the other side, I don't have enough hair, you know what I'm saying? So I want to scratch it out first and then like make my way back to add more hair to it, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do.
I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Pepper spray on my gun, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight.
You know me, I ain't no gatekeeper. I sure love how I do it, and you know I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. This right here, y'all, this right here, the Dark and Lovely. Let me tell y'all, if you got like braids, plaits, whatever, it take the itch away in second. It really stop the itch, like for real, no giving, no joke at all. And it got peppermint oil in it, and let me tell y'all again, y'all, it makes sure it feels so good on that scalp. Like, I ain't no sponsor for nobody, everything for my money on this video. But yeah, I hit it with some mousse right here from the Dollar Tree, y'all. It went viral, and I'm checking out to see how it can work for my little hair. I ain't put too much of that on there because I ain't want it to be all stiffy and whatnot. But I did put some on there in the front and the back to make it, you know what I'm saying, lay down just a little bit and whatnot. And after that, I'm about to go ahead and do my baby hairs right fast, do my makeup, and then they're gonna be a wrap. And I'm gonna come out of y'all and show y'all how this hairstyle look on me, baby. Period. So as you guys can see, I'm done. It's the finished look, how it gonna go ahead and go. So let me go ahead and get y'all the tea, right? So after I had went ahead and did my hair and whatnot in front of y'all, like I didn't like do this recording until maybe like a week or two later, because like, you know, I be tripping, like I be thinking I'm gonna go ahead and do it, but I get like caught up in the moment. So I apologize for that. So that's why I don't look real fresh. But honestly, I feel like the more is in there, the longer it's in there, like dreads, it look more natural to me. Because, you know, in real life, dreads supposed to look like your real hair. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's supposed to not look like perfect. So it give me that vibe like, okay, this may be her real hair because like how it look and things like that. And yeah, girl, so I'm going ahead and play with it, see which side I want, right, left side. And it's very versatile. You can put it in the middle, as you guys can see. I can put it on each other side I want to. I can put it in ponytails. But one thing I cannot do is have the back up, because if I had the back up, I would have to like have like a headband around my head to cover the back, because you know the back is like out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I tie my hair when I'm taking a shower and whatnot. I just go like this and call it a day. Put my little baby girl scrunchie on my head, and let me tell y'all, I'm in that shower like it's nothing, okay? And that's how I went ahead and did it. You can put a shower curtain on if you want to, but if you don't, then it's all good. This hair holds up really, really well. I was very, very surprised. And I like how it came out, y'all. If you feeling my video, you like everything, show your girl some love, subscribe, comment, share, like, all that good stuff. And guess what, y'all? I'll see you in my next video, okay? I love y'all so freaking much. Thanks again. Thanks. Deuces.